learn how to make a progress bar like this in Excel. All right, let's just get straight into it now. I have my percentage here, whatever your percentage is, whether you're an analyst or a project manager or whatever you need your bar for, you just need your percentage. So now I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to go insert. I'm going to go recommended charts. And whether you want your progress bar to be vertical or horizontal, that's up to you. I actually kind of like horizontal better, so I'm just going to go with the clustered bar chart here, and I'm going to press OK. And now it's still going to take in all of my data for me. So I'm just going to right click on that and then go down to select data. And then I'm just going to entirely remove this. And then when I press add for my legends, I'm just going to reference my one cell here that is 90%. I'm going to click OK, OK. And now I only have the one bar that is 90%. Now sometimes the axes move a bit. So what I like to do is I like to go in there and see right now it's auto. I actually just like to put in 0 and 1 myself. Because sometimes, let's say I move it down to like 12%, then the scale is going to be from like 0 to 20. So like it doesn't look like just a sliver on the graph. But now that we're done with that, we're going to take out our title. And we're going to take our axis, since we already adjusted that. And we're going to take out our grid lines. And we're going to take out this last bit here, our x-axis, or I guess y-axis in this case. And then we're left with a bar already. And it's already kind of coming together, to be honest. But what we need to do is we just need to take this bar, and we're going to go fill. We're going to gradient fill it in however we want. I guess that was the latest color scheme I was using. I like going with red, though. And then I'm going to turn this linear like this. And I'm going to flip that around. Oh, wait, the other way. So then it's kind of just a filling up red bar. Now I'm going to add my data labels in as well. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click on this data label here. Now on the right side, it's going to bring it up. If it's not brought up, you can always right click it and go to Format Data Labels. And then from here, I'm just going to go to the center here or at the inside end. I honestly prefer the inside end. So I'm going to go back to Home, and I'm just going to make this data label a little larger. Maybe bold it. There we go. So now we know we're at 90% already. It's already basically done, but what we're going to do is we're going to, once again, right click on this, make sure our bar is selected, go to Format Data Series. Now our gap width is going to be 0. Series overlap doesn't really matter. And once we're in here, the only reason it's not going to the sides right now is because this is our plot area and this is our chart area, and we just need them to be the same. So if I click on this a few times, it doesn't always work the first time, I can just easily extend this out as far as possible that way, as far as possible this way, and it's already extended as far as possible out to the right. So now I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller. There we go. That already looks like a progress bar to me. And then I'm just going to go to my chart options here, go to my fill, my border. Let's go solid line here, and then let's go color black. And if we just make our border really, really, really thick, I don't know, 5 points, we can round our corners. We're almost done here. I'm just going to go to my color one more time. And I'm pretty sure what looks good in here is also a bit of a shadow. A bit of a shadow to the right, that is. There we go. That looks nice. And you know what? I'm a bit addicted to shadows. But if we even do a little outer shadow on the whole chart here, I think that looks quite nice. Or the line is actually blocking quite a bit of it. So all we'd have to do is put up our size a bit. Oh, that's a bit much. Let's just click on it. Let's go out or down. Yeah, it's still just going like that. Anyways, and there is how you make a progress bar in Excel. Now, if I change my numbers here really quickly to, let's say, 5,000, what's going to happen? Data label is going to change. It's going to change. If I go 10,000, it's going to go to 100%. If you enjoyed this, please like, please comment, please subscribe, and let me know if you want to see anything else in the future. Thanks.